Hi, both of you. Good afternoon. Yes, where were you yesterday? Chota Bheem, Vivansh. Hi, Siddhant. And Riyansh. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Riyansh. Siddhant, good afternoon. Your voice is very low, Siddhant. आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
Ma'am, actually, yesterday I went to my school. There was one event,
Okay. What event? Tell me also about it.
Mechathon. That was one event. In that, there will be full. It's full of games, ma'am. That was in my school. So I had to go to that event, and I came late.
Okay. Full of games like what? Sports game or those indoor video game type?
Ma'am, it's like the sports games.
Okay. In which game did
I
you
got
take
a
part?
prize from it.
Oh, wow. That's great. In which game did you take part?
Ma'am, there are like 8 games. I took uh, all of them except three games. Actually, I came little late over there. That's why I
You
could
reached. Okay. And in which game did you win that prize?
Man, not in only one game. Like
Oh,
many games are there.
no, no, no. You said you won a prize also. In which one?
Ma'am, in all the games, there'll be one counter. If we'll get some coupons. Uh, how many coupons over there? There'll be some prizes we can buy.
Okay.
We can
That's
get with
great.
those.
Wow.
I got one this windmill kit.
Windmill kit.
Yeah, to make a windmill.
Okay, like puzzle type.
No, not a puzzle. We'll make our own windmill.
Okay. 3D, like 3D.
Yeah.
Acha. Did you receive the recording of yesterday's class?
No.
So you may contact with the team member. They will share the recording. And what we saw yesterday was the questions of direction sense. Do you have any idea about direction sense? Have you solved these type of questions earlier?
Directions.
Direction, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fine then. You will find the worksheet in your portal also. Once you receive the recording, you can try solving the questions from
Ma'am,
the. Hmm.
ma'am, that idea worked, and I got my 800 Robux.
Wow. So you were able to retrieve your password.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Ma'am, it is my name only.
That was your name only.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay.
I forgot my own name.
Congratulations. That's why I also keep my all the passwords almost same. Almost all my passwords are same so that I don't miss any of those. Right. And Siddhant, what about you? कुछ आप भी बताइए कुछ नया. Siddhant. अच्छा, tomorrow do you have school, all of you?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have
Great.
school tomorrow.
You have?
Yeah.
Because tomorrow most of the schools they are giving holiday.
Ma'am, for Tuesday I don't have holiday, but today I only have holiday.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow is Monday. Okay, ma'am, I have holiday tomorrow. That means.
Yes, you have. You must be having. So,
Ma'am, I know mirror water image. So easy.
yes, it is very easy. So, we are looking at mirror images and water
Ma'am, we
images
do this in
today.
our daily life also, ma'am.
Of course, we do this in our daily life. So, it's okay. All of you know already, so it will be fun solving questions, right? Mirror image and water image, and this is the third chapter. I mean, the third topic, and after that, we will have a test. On next Saturday, you will have a test, all of you. I mean, I will send a link all of you to you already, and you will solve the questions, and I will explain the questions. Maybe you will have some confusions. So we'll talk about mirror images of alphabets. We will talk about mirror images of numbers. We will talk about mirror images of figures. We will also talk about water images of alphabets, numbers, and water images of figures, and lastly the chocolate questions. Right? So first we are talking about the mirror images. What are mirror images? Those are called lateral inversion. Lateral mirror images are called lateral inversion. Why lateral inversion? Hi Naisha. Again, I think your camera is not working. Yeah. Tell me, Vivansh.
Actually, everything is dark, ma'am. I cannot see anything.
Where? I'm sharing the
Because,
screen.
ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Do you think you're having some network problem? Ishani, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Vivansh?
I don't know. I think I pressed something or what?
So you can do one thing, you may leave and join again. Okay. Ishani, where were you yesterday?
Ma'am, I went to a birthday. Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got it.
Okay, great, Vivansh. Okay, Ishani, how was your that birthday party in which you went?
Ma'am, I went to my friends, but I saw the recording.
You did? Great, great. So Vivansh, you might also have received the recording, Vivansh. If Ishani has received, you also must have received the recording. You need to check it once. Okay, you need to check it once. So Ishani, today we are looking at mirror images and water images. You must be having some prior idea already about mirror images and water images, right?
And I know mirror images, but I don't know water images.
Okay, no problem. So mirror images are also these water images are also mirror image only, but the difference will be I will tell you in some time. So mirror images are also known as lateral inversion. What is lateral? Lateral means the beside, either the left or the right side. Okay, and inversion means flipping, becoming opposite. So left and right side is changed and vice versa. The left becomes right, the right becomes left. Whereas the top and bottom remains same in the mirror image. So whenever we are looking at any letter, any number, we have to see that the left and right is remaining same, the bottom and top should be different. See below example of to understand in brief. Naisha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens, Siddhant?
Speak in Hindi.
Speak in Hindi. ठीक है, मैं बता रही हूँ वाटर इमेज और मिरर इमेज के बारे में आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं. आप when you look at yourself in the mirror, जब आप खुद को मिरर में देखते हैं तो क्या चेंज होता है वहां पे? सिद्धांत, क्या चेंज होता है जब आप खुद को मिरर में देखते हैं तो? लेफ्ट राइट बनता है और राइट लेफ्ट बनता है. आप ऐसा कीजिए, यू राइट सम नेम ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर और यू राइट समथिंग ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड यू गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर एंड you see it. Okay, it will all be written in opposite. ठीक है? So you see this letter B, how it looks in the
Mom won't be like
what?
noon won't be.
What?
Ma'am, they will
Yes.
be the same.
Yes, because for M it does not make lateral inversion. For M it remains same. For O also it remains same, but it remains same horizontally, not vertically.
Ma'am, it also remains for I.
I also remains same. U also remains same in the mirror image. Many other letters are there. V also remains same. Huh? A also remains same. Very good. So you can see here we have the mirror image of B. Huh? It is opposite.
Ma'am,
Huh?
only asymmetrical objects will be different. Symmetrical objects will be different.
Yes, yes,
will be the same.
yes. Of course, that is a principle. Yes. जो सिमेट्रिकल होते हैं वो चेंजेस नहीं होंगे. एसिमेट्रिकल जो हैं जिनको आप दो पार्ट में टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में इफ यू कैन नॉट डिवाइड दैट विल हैव अ mirror image, different mirror image, right? So you can see for capital letters there are few letters which are remaining same. A is remaining same. A जैसा है वैसा ही है. Tell me more.
Ma'am, T till Y is the same.
Yes.
Ma'am,
U, V, W, X, Y, all of these are remaining same. From T till Y is remaining same, of course. And then O is also remaining same. M also remaining same.
Ma'am,
Tell
H.
me more. H
H.
and I also remaining same, right? So all of these are remaining same. Why? Because these are vertically symmetrical. These are vertically. If you divide A from middle, हाँ, अगर आप A को middle से divide करेंगे, your two halves will be equal. That is why H को भी आप if you divide it vertically, it will be same. But for the mirror image of for the vertical, sorry, for the water images, some of these will change. Okay, because A will change. H will again remain same. I will remain same in your mirror image. In mirror image, okay, when we'll reach there in the mirror image, then we'll talk. Now, so we have the small letters also. Some of the small letters also change. Some doesn't not change. A is changing. You may see that. Which one is not changing? I is not changing. O again is not changing.
Ma'am,
V is not. W is not changing. X is not changing. Yeah. Any more? L is not changing. है ना? So all of these are not. These are the small letters. Then what about the mirror image? Mirror image number के mirror image का क्या है? Numbers के mirror image में भी कुछ letters ऐसे हो सकते हैं, कुछ numbers ऐसे हो सकते हैं.
Ma'am, 8 won't change.
Yes, only 8 won't change. Other than that, all of these you may see.
Ma'am,
इसके
0.
अलावा 0, but yeah, of course 0. 0 is not here. Except 2, except 8, all of these will change. 8 को छोड़कर बाकी सारे आपके mirror images, they will be different. For 4, you may see the mirror image. Can any of you tell me, or you can draw the mirror image of 12? Can you write the mirror image of 12 on your notebook?
Easy.
Easy, please do that.
No, I just don't.
And show it to me on the camera. Naisha, you don't have a notebook? Please quickly grab a notebook. सिद्धांत 12 का mirror image बना के बताइए जरा.
I have it.
You have? अच्छा, your camera is not. You are not able to open your camera. It's okay, but you still can write it.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, no. Focus it little bit more, Riyansh, Vivansh. I can see that.
Ma'am, it's ulta. Ma'am, it's ulta, but in the screen I see it's correct only.
Yes, in your screen it will look same, no? Because when you open your camera, the camera also has mirror image. The camera also has mirrored your number.
Ma'am, now?
Yes. Now, no, it's visible 12 only to me.
Ma'am, here.
Show me the first one which you drew. Show me the first one.
This one I
Oh, okay, fine.
scratched it. This one.
Fine. So all of you, our mirror image will look like this, isn't it? Yes. Do you agree with me that our mirror image will look like this, all of you? Yes. सिद्धांत, क्या आप agree करते हैं कि हमारा mirror image ऐसा दिखेगा? बढ़िया. So what you should check first of all, that 2 is on the right hand side, so 2 should be left now, and your 1 is on the left, now it should be on the right. That is one thing which you should notice, and then the orientation of each of these numbers, each of the digits, right? So, and then now we have a question.
Ma'am, it's like this. They heat each other.
Okay. Which of the following figure in the mirror image of the figure X? We have to tell which of the
B.
following figure is a mirror
Ma'am,
image.
B.
Is it
B,
visible
ma'am.
now?
B.
B? Yes, of course, your answer is B. So our answer, our image should look like this, right? Because both the circles are in the same direction. So yes, your answer will be very easy for you. All of you already know. सिद्धांत, क्या आपको समझ आ रहा है? No?
No. Ma'am, by the way, I only don't understand what you're saying.
You already said the answer.
Ma'am, by the way, I
You
don't understand
see?
what you're saying in Hindi.
Oh, you don't understand Hindi, no? But Siddhant also, he understands English only little bit. So I have to talk in both the languages. Siddhant, especially for Siddhant, I'm talking in Hindi. ठीक है, what you have to सिद्धांत यहाँ पे देखिए, आपको यहाँ पे mirror image obtain करना है.
Ma'am, by the way,
This
I
is the
know
left
only
side.
little Hindi.
You know little. Okay. सो सिद्धांत आप देखिए, इसका लेफ्ट ओरिएंटेशन ये है, उसका राइट ओरिएंटेशन ये है। यहाँ पर जो राइट है वो अब लेफ्ट बन जाएगा, मीनिंग इट शुड बी लाइक दिस। अब ये हो गया लेफ्ट में और ये राइट में सिद्धांत। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू सी उनका शेडिंग कैसा है, तो द शेडिंग, द लाइंस आर वर्टिकल, sorry, the horizontal, the lines are horizontal, so you do that and you can see that's already given in option 2. If I compare option 2 with the rest of the options, you see in the first one, both the circles are now, both the half circles, semicircles are not in the same direction. In the B1, they both are in the same direction. Again, the C1, both are not in the same direction. In the D1, they are exactly same as figure X. So that is why we cannot choose D1. So we are left with option 2 as our correct option, right? Next question. Which of the following figure is a mirror image of the figure X again?
A. Yes, ma'am. A.
पक्का
Ma'am,
है?
A.
So you can check on the basis of the pink and the blue color. The blue color was on the right, now it should be on the left, and the pink one was on the left earlier, now it should be on the right side. So we want the pink color here and the blue color here. And you can see that already is given. And another thing,
Black.
Oh, so I have to change the color then. So okay, this should be pink now. And this should be blue. Okay. Apart from that, you can see that the lines are vertical. So we need the vertical lines also in the mirror image. So yes, very easy. In the second one, we have the horizontal lines. So we want the horizontal lines here. So this should be our mirror image. सिद्धांत, क्या आपको समझ आया? सिद्धांत,
No.
क्यों? देखिए, आपको मिरर इमेज बनाना है, मतलब कि अगर आप इस फिगर को मिरर में देखोगे तो कैसा दिखेगा ये। अगर आप इस फिगर एक्स को, यहाँ पे हमने मिरर रखा हुआ है, ठीक है, इसलिए मिरर को हमने बोला है एक्स एंड वाई। दिस इज अ फिगर एक्स और इसका मिरर इमेज हमको ड्रॉ करना है। मिरर इमेज या तो फिर आप जाकर मिरर में देख लीजिए या फिर आप इसका मिरर इमेज ड्रॉ कीजिए। कैसे करेंगे हम? इस ऑब्जेक्ट का जो लेफ्ट है वो राइट बन जाएगा और जो राइट था वो अब लेफ्ट बन जाएगा। सिद्धांत, आपके लेफ्ट साइड में कौन सा कलर है? इस फिगर को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कीजिए। आप लेफ्ट साइड में पिंक है ना, सो दैट पिंक शुड बी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड नाउ, है ना? वो पिंक कलर अब आपके राइट साइड में हो जाएगा, तो ये होगा राइट साइड इस इमेज का। एंड विच कलर इज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड? ब्लू, दैट विल कम इन द लेफ्ट साइड। तो इस ऑब्जेक्ट का आप देख सकते हो, ये जो मिरर इमेज है ये है आपका इमेज। इस इमेज का लेफ्ट साइड में वी वांट इट टू बी ब्लू इन कलर एंड ऑन द टॉप ये ब्लू कलर अब यहाँ पे दिखेंगे आपको। दिस ब्लू कलर will be visible here now. Okay, and the pink color Siddhant, that will be visible here. मिरर इमेज में कैसा दिखेगा? तो मिरर इमेज में ऐसा दिखेगा। सेकेंडली आप ये भी देखिए कि इनके लाइंस कैसे हैं। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में इट्स वर्टिकल लाइन, इन द सेकेंड पार्ट इट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन। सिद्धांत हुआ? आप समझ आया आपको?
Yes.
बढ़िया। So we are moving to the third question. So you can see this will be your answer, and option A we have already found out. Now talking about the water images. So water image is nothing but the mirror image only, but the reflection we obtain in the bottom. Earlier in the water mirror image, वहाँ पे left to right transposition, मतलब suppose we are obtaining mirror image of B, so it should look like this. What if I obtain the mirror image of B by keeping the mirror in the bottom? This is a mirror, right? Here it was a mirror. By keeping the mirror in the bottom, so what will happen now? It will look like this. Meaning the small, so there is a difference in the bigger and the smaller part. The bottom part is a bit bigger, right? So it will look like this. Okay. So ये हो जाएगा B का mirror image. Sorry, water image. Because the mirror is kept in the bottom now. There is a top to bottom transposition. And you know what is it called? The water images, that is called your vertical inversion. Vertical inversion. What is the mirror image called? Vertical inversion, water images. Mirror images are called? Anyone? I have told that. I told you while I was starting the topic.
Vertical in.
No, vertical inversions are your water images.
Ma'am, did you start a test today or what?
I did not start the test.
No, ma'am, this topic, the vertical inversion thing. Did you
No,
say test today?
no. Yesterday we saw direction sense. Why would I tell yesterday? Why would I tell yesterday? Vertical inversion is the water images. Water images. Because वहाँ पे क्या है? आपका suppose A will look like this. So the changement is in the top to bottom. So vertical inversion. For your
Ma'am, by the way,
mirror images,
ma'am, it
we
will
call
look
it.
ulta.
Yes. For mirror images, we call it lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. If you have a notebook, write it on a notebook. Lateral inversion and vertical inversion. Lateral inversions are the mirror images. And water images are called vertical inversion. So in water images, the mirror is kept in the bottom rather than on the left or the right. Okay. Water image is just a reflection. It's the same reflection like we obtain in the mirror image, where the top and the bottom part of the image are changed, whereas left and right remains same. Water image में left and right will remain same, just the top and bottom will change. Water images, yeah, tell.
Ma'am, I was writing the vertical.
Oh, now I have erased it. Okay, wait. Vertical inversion is your water image. And lateral inversion is your mirror image. Naisha, let me know if you have written.
Ma'am, have you sent the test yesterday?
No. Yesterday we had the direction sense topic. I said that the test will be on next Saturday.
Done, ma'am.
Next Saturday we will have probably, and so I will share the link. I mean, I will forward the link. They will share the link to you. The team will share the link to you, and you can submit your test from there. And then again, if you will have some questions, you may ask me on Saturday's class. On Saturday, you will not have the test actually. On Saturday, we will have the test discussion. I will forward the link to you. You complete it prior. You complete it beforehand. Now, what are images of alphabets? Capital letters, first of all, A you can see, B is also changing, C is also changing. What is not changing? H and I are also not, H and I are not changing. M is changing.
Oh,
D is not changing. E is not changing. E is actually changing.
O.
Yes. O.
How, ma'am? E is
E
not
is changing.
O. Where, ma'am?
E actually for
Ma'am, it
E.
is. Ma'am, you can't quite figure it out, ma'am, but it is.
Yes, it is. Because you see when you see it, you see the bottom
Ma'am,
line here is a bit broader.
ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, now I understood.
सिद्धांत who was? हाँ
वो
बताइए.
भी चेंज नहीं हो रहा.
ओ भी चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. वेरी गुड सिद्धांत. और बताइए x is also not changing, all of you. X is also not changing, so apart from that all of those are remaining same, right? And then
Ma'am,
if you हाँ tell.
X is changing. See?
X is changing. Yeah, X is also changing because the lower and the bottom part are different.
Yes.
Yes. So, and then looking at the small letters, again, the O will not change, I will change, L is not changing. And any other letter do you see not changing?
Ma'am, C.
I guess C.
C, ma'am.
C.
No.
Okay, yeah. C is not changing. C is not changing because it is symmetrical. The top and bottom, it is horizontally symmetrical.
Ma'am, why does the C's bottom image look like A?
No, it's not looking like a. See, so the principle is that it should be horizontally symmetrical. The ones which you do, which does not change in the water images, should be horizontally symmetrical. Okay, then the water images of number, again the 8 is changing here. So basically all the letters, numbers are not are changing except the 0, right? So these were some water images and your mirror images. Now we are looking at a question. Choose the correct image of the question figure from the given answer figure. Assume that water is along xy. So we have to tell the water image of this one. I will show you the options also. If you can see, I will. Look at the options.
Ma'am, it's A.
Can you?
Ma'am, it's A.
A. So
A.
what you should see is that we now want the arrow to be like this. Right? So in B1, the arrow is not in that orientation. In the C1 also, the arrow is not in that orientation. Even the D1 also is not in the same orientation. So only A is the potential answer, right? Next question, chocolate question we are looking at. Which of the figure is exactly the mirror image of the given figure? So the mirror is kept here. Mirror image.
Ma'am,
Maths.
A.
A.
Ma'am, A.
Pakka.
A, ma'am.
Because it will not. Oh, you.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B.
M is your leftmost and S is your rightmost. So we want the S to be here. Huh? We want the S to be here. It will not be A. Why? Because yes. Let me explain. No. Why? Because
ma'am?
the left and right is not. Yeah.
Ma'am, B and C is the same, ma'am. Ma'am?
B and C are the same.
Yes. So B and C is the answer.
Yes, same. It is same. Both of those are same.
B and
Okay, we are taking B or C. We are taking B or C. It's not. It's although the C is same, but first is in the sequence we have B only. So let's consider
No,
B as the
ma'am,
answer.
in B, the M is little like thinner and in C,
No.
M is a little bigger.
No, there is no
No,
change
ma'am.
actually. No, there is no change. So there is a mistake in there is a mistake in the question. No, but anyways, option B is the first one. So we will take B1 as the answer. So you can see this will be our mirror image. Next one. So we have one question from IMO, Maths Olympiad. Find the mirror image of X if the mirror is placed vertically to the left.
C. Ma'am, C.
C. Let me show all the
Ma'am,
options.
it's C. Ma'am, C.
C, Pakka.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. Yes, you're right. Your answer will be C. So what do we want? We want it to be like this.
Ma'am, it's leaning heavily at my place.
Oh my God.
It is D.
It's not D. It's not D.
D.
You see, this is the left and this is the right.
Ma'am,
So the
D
right
is
should
the
become
same.
left.
Ma'am, D is same as figure X.
Yes, D is the same as the figure with the X figure. First, see the left and right orientation of it. We want the right side to be on the left. Okay, so your answer will be option C only. Then we have the next question. Yes.
The answer is D.
So this is left and this is right, but not left and
Ma'am,
right.
it's
We
D
have to
only.
obtain the water image of it.
Ma'am, D.
D.
Ma'am, I feel like it's D, but I don't think it's D.
Why? So what do we want? The top and the bottom. The circle is on the top. We want it in the bottom. The left and right orientation will not change. So the
Ma'am, it
diamond
is
and the
B.
square. The diamond. No, it's not B because we want the diamond first. And also in the B1, it is given a square. We don't have the square. Why are you rotating the square? In the B1, you check. The square is rotated. I mean, the diamond has become a square. No, we cannot change the element. Your answer will be the D1. See, you want a diamond first, and then this square having two diagonals in it. That's given in
Ma'am,
option
actually,
D.
that diamond is also a square.
The diamond is also a square, but we do not rotate the elements in the mirror images. है ना? We do not rotate the element in the mirror images. So for that reason, it can't be our answer. Yes, Naisha, you are right. Right? Next, another question of IMO. Which of the following options show the mirror image of this one? So what do we know? We know the left and right will be changing. So the 5 should be here. And not only that, the orientation of 5 should also change.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, it is first one. B.
First one, how? But the 5 has
Ma'am, it's B.
gone in the bottom.
Ma'am, it's B. One B.
Of course, the B1 will be your answer.
Ma'am, it's B only.
Yes, it is a B1. Siddhant, which one? What do you think?
B.
B? Yes, it should be B only. Let's see. And yes, it is B. Right? So those were your introductory questions. Now we are going to see the questions of exercise.
Oh, I can't.
I will make it.
Ma'am, it's D.
Wait, I will zoom it.
Ma'am, it's D. Ma'am, it's D. Ma'am, it's D. Can I go to the washroom?
Yes, please
Ma'am,
be
it's
fast.
D.
Ishani. Yes. Who is shouting?
D.
D? B?
Ma'am,
Which
it's
one?
D.
The black should be
D
here.
for dog.
D for dog. The black should be here. It is a mirror image.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it
Yes.
is D.
D1, of course. D for dog. Like already said, Reyansh already said. So yes, it will be your answer D.
D.
Yeah, I heard you. Next one. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
I felt like D was the mirror. I felt like D was the mirror image. Ma'am, it's easy. Ma'am, it's easy. It's not C. D, ma'am. Ma'am, it's C.
See, it is a water image, right? So which of the following figure is exactly the mirror image of the given wait a minute. Which of the following answer figure is exactly the mirror image of the given question when the mirror is held at XY? So you don't have to confuse. We are obtaining a water image actually. But they have said it like we are obtaining a mirror image, but the mirror is kept in the bottom. Does not matter. We are obtaining a water image or mirror image. C1, the S should be in the here, the D should be here. First you check on that basis.
Ma'am, it is a C.
Yes, because in that option only C is given. I mean, your double S is
Ma'am,
here.
D is ma'am because that's the only option from D from which D is starting in the word.
That also you can take. That also you can take as the idea. That also can be one of the trick. right? So your answer will be option C. Moving on to the next question. So the correct mirror water image of the given figure when the answer figure assume the water. B1. Yes, of course, B1, because nothing much is given. We have plus two plus signs. We will have two triangles which will be inverted like this, and the square in the middle.
Yes,
B1. Yes, it is a B1. Chalo, next question.
Ma'am, it's B. Ma'am, it's B. A.
B.
Ma'am, A.
A.
No, B, ma'am. Ma'am, it's B. A. It's B,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
so
A. Ma'am, it is A.
black should be here. Black should
I
be
told
here.
you it's B. Yes, it's B only.
Black should be here.
B.
Oops.
B.
Wait. Black should be here.
I
And
told you it's B. Yes.
B? Yes, it is B. Because in the A1, if you see, the shading is on the right hand side, whereas the shading should be on the left only. Right? Now you may take 5-minute break. Please be fast back. Back fast. 5 minutes only, all of you. Drink water, or just roam around. Back in 5 minutes.
पैसा भरવાનું ચાલુ થઈ ગયું છે.
So are you back, all of you? Right. Vivansh, tell me something.
What, ma'am?
Anything? Any fun fact or anything new which you can share with us, like knowledge related to knowledge?
Ma'am, because I know, because I'm little knowledgeable.
All of you are knowledgeable. All of you are very knowledgeable. So I have a riddle. Okay, you can tell after that. I have a riddle that there is something which does not have a life, but still it can die.
Ma'am, what? Something that
There is
doesn't have
something.
life.
It does not have a life, but it can die.
Flower.
Flower has a life.
Ma'am, computer. Ma'am,
No.
fire.
No.
Fire,
No.
ma'am. Ma'am,
phone.
Fire. It has life, but it doesn't have life, but it can die.
No.
Ma'am, phone. Ma'am, fire can die, but it doesn't have life. Ma'am, phone.
Fire can go out. It does not die.
Phone.
Yes, you are almost there, Ryansh. Not only phone, but it has something which dies. The battery.
Ma'am, but phone also dies.
Oh, because phone has a battery, no. Any machine which has a battery, the battery will die.
Ma'am, but
Now your turn.
Ma'am, now this is a tricky question.
Now it's a tricky question, so you also ask us some tricky question.
Ma'am, what goes up but never comes down?
What goes up never comes down.
Yes,
Age. Yeah, I've also heard this. Age.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
it was not. Ma'am, this is a tricky question.
Tricky question. Which one?
What,
The first or
what
the second?
has a bed but it cannot sleep? And what has eyes but is blind?
Potato.
Wrong.
Wrong?
Potato has eyes.
Yeah, potato has eyes.
Ma'am, but it doesn't have a bed.
It does not have a bed, yeah.
A bed. Ma'am, a robot? A robot? Nope.
No.
Ma'am, it's a hint this time.
Okay, tell.
It's snake. It's like in Goa. It's in Goa.
It's in Goa. I've never been to Goa.
Ma'am, I have.
Oh, coconut. Do you mean coconut?
No, ma'am.
Coconut
Ma'am,
does not.
coconut doesn't have a bed.
Yeah, it does not has a bed.
Ma'am, can I say?
You will give the correct answer. No, let us think.
What about a sweet? Sweet.
Sweet?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The cabana. Nope.
Fan.
Fan doesn't have a bed.
Yeah. Tell Vivansh, okay, tell us the answer.
Waves.
Waves.
Ma'am,
Waves have
it has a bed. The seesaw is the bed.
bed. Yeah, you are right.
While
But
it also has a
eye of the wave. Eye of the wave. Yeah. From where the waves start, it's called the eye of the wave.
Ma'am, can I ask? But it's still blind, so waves
Yeah.
is the answer.
Right. Oh, you mean Goa for that reason. But it's not like that. I mean, we have many beaches and many places. But okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good,
But
good question.
that was kind of like a hint.
Thank you so
Ma'am?
much. Naisha.
Can I ask you a question?
Please ask us.
Which room has no walls?
Broom.
Broom.
Yeah. Broom doors don't have walls.
No, it's not the answer.
Which room you mean, like room, proper room? Any of you, can you help me? That's a tough question.
Ma'am, I can never do. Ma'am, can I say one?
Yeah, please tell.
I am tall when I am young, but I am short when I am old.
But we have to finish Naisa's question. We have to finish Naisa's question first. No, tell me, help me to answer that question. Which room does not have walls?
Ma'am, what? Which room does not have
Walls.
Ma'am, can I ask question?
पहले हेल्प करो मुझे आंसर करने में, तब क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे हम. Naisha,
Ma'am, do I tell the answer?
please tell.
Mushroom.
Oh,
How?
nice, nice question.
Ma'am,
Mushroom,
can
it
I
has
tell
room.
now?
Okay, Reyansh, tell.
How does a mushroom tall when
It
I'm young, but I'm
has
short
room,
when
the
I'm old.
word.
What am I?
It is tall. Candle, candle.
Yes, ma'am. I can run but can't walk. Wherever I go, thought follows close behind. What am I?
You told us a full stanza. Seems
What
like
did
a
we
poetry.
even say? No, no, it's a riddle only. What
Huh?
did we even say?
Can you repeat it once more, Reyansh,
I
please?
can run but
But
can't
cannot
walk
walk.
wherever I go. Thought
Okay.
follows close behind. What am I?
Brain, brain.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
Wind,
a nose.
nose. Oh, runny nose, runny nose. Yes, nice question, huh? Yeah, Siddhant, please ask.
Ma'am, can I ask? Ma'am, which
Siddhant.
egg is larger?
Whose egg is the largest? Ostrich's egg.
Yes.
Ostrich egg?
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am, can I ask
Ah.
one more question?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Okay.
ask one question?
Okay, Vivansh, you ask, then Naisha, you will. Tell.
Ma'am, can I ask what's the biggest word? What's the
Biggest
biggest
word.
word I
See,
told?
this question you asked us earlier also.
Ma'am, when I joined only I told.
Ha, you did, but I still
Onomatopoeia.
cannot say that word.
Ma'am, I can.
But I still
It's so
cannot say
easy
that
for
word.
me.
It is easy for you because you have memorized that. I did not.
Ma'am, can I say?
Onomatopoeia is a very small word. The word which he said was very large. Something silica pneumococcus, something like that.
Ma'am, you are actually close.
Close, right? Yeah, I know. If I'll try to memorize, I will be able to memorize, but I did not try.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Ishani, tell. Tell Vivansh.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicoalkinoconiosis.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I'll try to memorize it. Maybe someday I will, tell
Ma'am,
you.
first you have to learn from Google, by the way.
Haha, it's okay. I'll learn from the Google. I've heard it
Ma'am,
earlier from
that
people.
is not the biggest word. That is not the biggest word. That's the biggest word in the dictionary.
Biggest word in the dictionary.
Ma'am, tell the biggest bird that can fly.
Biggest, which
What?
can fly.
Yes, ma'am.
Butterfly, butterfly.
Eagle. No.
No word he said.
Birds fly. The words fly only.
The word fly. The word fly only.
Yeah, eagle flies.
No, he's saying word, not the bird.
Which one can fly?
Butterfly. Bird.
Bird fly. No,
Bird
ma'am,
fly.
it's Andean condor. Ma'am, it's the biggest bird that can fly.
Oh, you are saying the biggest bird which can fly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, eagle.
Yeah, vulture.
Eagle. Ma'am already told the answer.
Please tell
Ma'am,
again.
it's Andean condor.
Andean condor is a bird. That's what he's saying.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am,
Ha.
now can I?
Ha, Naisha, please tell.
Why is math sad?
Because he could not solve the question.
Ma'am, why is 6 scared of? No, ma'am.
No?
It's not that. Ma'am, why is 6 scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9.
7,
Yeah,
8, 9. Yeah, right. That
Ma'am.
was an intelligent answer. Naisha, someone asked me this question earlier. Wait, I will try to recall it, the answer. Why is math sad? Because it could not solve the question.
No. Because the problems are very hard.
Ha.
Ma'am.
Yeah,
No,
the problems were
ma'am.
difficult.
Ma'am,
No?
can I show you one drawing that I made yesterday, ma'am?
Oh, wait. First, Naisha has a question. No, let's help me to solve
Ma'am,
that
can I
question.
show you my drawing that I made yesterday?
First, please help me to tell Naisha the answer. Naisha, can you please tell the answer?
Because it has problems.
It has problem. Yes, I was just not able to reach to the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell
Correct.
let's ma'am say mine.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a riddle.
That is, I think I've seen those glasses. It's called thug glass. Earth is, what
Cool.
have you written?
Cool,
Earth
ma'am.
is cool.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
that the glasses are also actually cool.
Ma'am, I have a ready. Ma'am, those
You have
glasses
a
are
ready?
very easy to make.
Yeah, Ishani?
Ma'am, why did the boy take a ladder to the school?
Why would he take a ladder to this so that he will climb up from the window?
No.
No. Because why will he take a ladder to the school?
Ma'am, it's an easy question.
It's a easy question. Okay. Because I don't know.
Can I tell the answer?
Please tell.
Because the boy wanted to go to high school.
Okay. Hello. So coming back to the topic that we are doing, choose the alternative which closely resemble the mirror image of the given figure. I think some of you have already found the answer. I'm already getting the answer as Naisha, B. She's saying B. What do you all say? Okay. D1. D is not visible, but now you can see the D option. So, left and right. We want the arrow to be like this and this. Just that.
Ma'am, it's D.
It's D1. It is a D1, of course.
Ma'am,
Because no
it
other
is
option.
C.
Huh? It was C. D1, D1. C can't be. Choose alternative which closely resemble the mirror image of the given
Ma'am,
mirror
C.
given image. The ball should be here.
Ma'am, C.
C1.
Ma'am, C.
Pakka? C. Yes, it is C. Yes, it is C. So your answer will be the option C. Okay. Siddhant, are you able to understand? Please tell the answer to this question.
Ma'am, C.
See, you
Ma'am,
see.
C. It's
So
C.
it is
C.
the
C.
water image. We want the top shading to be colorless, right? This should be colorless on top. And that I cannot see in A, neither B cannot be our answer. Yes, your answer will be option C for this question. Right, next one. Choose the word which is one which is closely resembles the mirror image of 5. It should be
D.
like this.
Ma'am, D.
D, yeah,
D.
D will be your answer. Next one, choose the alternative which is closely resembling
Ma'am,
the
D.
mirror image.
D, ma'am, D.
D,
Ma'am, D. D, ma'am, D. 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 D.
D,
D.
only D has.
D. 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 D.
Okay, tough one. Tough one. Look at it.
Easy.
The
Ma'am,
mirror
B.
image. It's
Ma'am,
a
B.
water
Ma'am,
image.
B. Ma'am, B. B. B.
Pakka.
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, it's B. B.
Top,
A.
top and
Ma'am,
bottom.
A. Ma'am, C. Ma'am, it's Pakka B. Ma'am, C. Ma'am, B. Ma'am,
Oh
C.
my God.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, E. B, ma'am. A. B.
We want
B.
these
C.
grids to be here. The dots to be here. These bigger grids to be
I'm a
here.
cheat.
And these fine grids should be here. Now tell me. It is a A1. It's the A1. A1, all of you. A1 will be A, yeah. But I heard B, C, D, all of these. Lastly, A. Chalo, next
First
one.
I said A, but
Okay. But then you saw the other options also and you thought the other
I'm
one.
other side saying B. I'm getting confused when I'm saying B.
Okay.
A. B. B. Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B. B.
B.
B, ma'am. It's also C, ma'am. C is also like same.
C is also the same.
Yes, ma'am. C.
C is not same because the lines are different.
How?
C is not same. Look at the C1 and the B1. The lines are different. In the B1, the lines are like this. In the C1, the lines are like this. Okay.
It's B.
Our answer should be,
B.
our answer should have
B.
these.
B.
B, B1. Yeah, the B1 will be your answer. Okay, not all of you not give the answer, will not give the answer. Siddhant will give me the. Siddhant, please tell the answer. Are you able to understand, Siddhant? Siddhant? No, wait. A?
A.
Pakka? Siddhant?
Ma'am, A. Yes.
Chalo,
Ma'am,
if you
A.
are saying A, chalo, let's go ahead with it. Next one. 13. Choose alternative which is closely resembling the mirror image of the given figure.
A. Ma'am, C.
Mirror is
Ma'am,
here.
C.
The oval should be here, this here, and the bigger line here. A1? A1 will be your answer. Next, 14 number. Choose. Check. The A1 can't be because where do we want the square?
B.
It is the B1.
Ma'am, it's B.
Do you hear some noise, all of you? Do you hear any noise from my side? From the background? No? Okay, fine. So you will have it like this. Here it will be unshaded and this side will be shaded. Now match. Now match. The B1 has it. The C1 can't be. Okay, looking at the D1. This should be like this. Yes, the B1 will be your answer only. The shading should be here. No, not the B1. The D1 will be your answer. You see this D1 is matching. D1 will be your answer, all of you. Next, 15 number question.
D in next page?
Because it could not adjust all the the last option also. While making PDF, it could not adjust it. Next, choose the alternative.
C.
C?
C,
Of course, the C.
C,
Of
ma'am.
course, the C.
C. Why are you giving so easy questions, ma'am? Easy.
No, it's easy for you because you already know how to solve. You know the concept. Now tell me for this
Ma'am,
question.
it's B.
Mirror image. Mirror image.
Ma'am, it's B.
B. Yes, the B1. Yes, the B1 will be your answer. Next, 70 number. Choose alternative which closely resembles the water image of the given combination.
Ma'am, it's D. It's D.
A1 can't
Ma'am,
be our answer.
B.
Then
Ma'am,
D
it's
should
D.
be like
Ma'am,
this.
it's by the way B.
You may try to eliminate out the options.
Ma'am, it's D.
D. It's not the D.
What?
Not the D1. Then again, the G should like this.
Ma'am,
G
it's
should
C. Ma'am, it's C. It's C.
The G should be like this.
It's B.
It's the B1.
What?
It's the B1. Because your I should be like this. Okay. In the C1, your I is same. R. The R is not correct. R should be like this. The B1 will be your answer. Check the R. Check the R in B and C. The R is not in correct orientation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the B1 will be your answer. Next, 18 number question. Siddhant, answer कीजिए. And Reyansh, where are you?
I'm here.
You are here only.
Ma'am,
Ishani,
it's hard. I'm
It's
here.
so hard
Ma'am,
to
it's
know.
C. Ma'am, it's C.
C1. The S should be like this.
Ma'am, I don't trust any of the answers.
You don't trust any of these
Ma'am, it's
answers.
C.
Why? If you are so much confused, you may try to bring
Ma'am, it's
a
C.
mirror and then see it. You may try to bring a mirror and you may check it.
Ma'am, it's
Okay.
C. Ma'am, but it's water. Ma'am, it's C.
See.
Ma'am, not mirror images.
see.
It's water images.
See, water images are also mirror images. Just that the mirror is kept in the bottom. So GR9 is not correct.
Should I bring the bucket and the...
9 is not correct here. So this can't be. Here the 9 is fine. R should be like this. R should be like this. So B1 cancelled out for that reason. These are good. These are correct. Then again the A1. The A1 is not in the mirror water image in the D1.
I told
So
you
yes,
it's C.
yes, you are right. It is C. I have to explain it, no?
Ma'am,
Chalo,
it's
next
A.
19 number.
Ma'am, A.
Rise. A?
I mean A.
Yes,
A,
it will be A only. Yes, it will be A only. Right? Because of E. Now, last question, 28th number question. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the water image of the given combination.
Ma'am, D.
D.
Ma'am, B.
D or B? B for ball, D for dog. The L should be like this.
Ma'am, it's D.
The B1 can't be the D1. The D1 will be.
Ma'am, I told you it's D.
Yes, you did. So those were our questions of exercise. Now let me bring few more questions. And I will try to find some difficult questions. All of you are giving the answers so fast.
Ma'am, can I also ask one question?
Please do.
See, Tom went to town on Friday. After 2 days, he came back on Friday. How is that possible?
Anyone knows the answer?
Ma'am, can I hear the question again?
She said that Tom left the hotel on Friday. See,
No.
he entered the hotel on Friday and
Town.
he left. Who? Town.
Yes.
Okay, town. Okay, you tell the question again, please.
He went to town on Friday.
Ah,
After 2 days, he came back on Friday.
yes.
How is that possible?
How is that possible? Anyone, can you tell?
Maybe the town is the place where he took aeroplane.
He took aeroplane.
No,
Okay.
what if the town he entered was his house? No. But
He entered the
he's a
town on
homeless guy.
Friday. No, wait a minute. He entered the town on Friday and he left on Friday. How is that possible?
After 2 days, he left.
After 2 days, he left.
Ma'am, can I tell a question?
No,
Ma'am,
you help me to answer. See,
ma'am.
I know the answer. Wait a minute. I know the answer to this question because Friday was his horse's name.
Yes.
Yes? See?
Yes.
Because Friday was his horse's name. Yeah, yes, Siddhant, please tell. Siddhant, ask. Siddhant, you're asking some question.
Ma'am, what's used to stick thing? What thing is so larger?
What thing is so larger?
Ma'am,
Larger
what's
from
the
what?
biggest thing in the world?
Biggest thing in the world.
God.
Biggest thing in the world. That I think I don't know.
Ma'am, I also don't know. God.
God. Who
Yes,
knows where is God? Who is
Ma'am,
God?
can I leave?
No, why are you leaving? We still have time. Who is
Ma'am,
leaving? Do you have some place to
मैम
go?
मुझे थोड़ी जल्दी है, मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना है.
ओके, ठीक है सिद्धांत, आप पहले मुझे ये बताइए, आपको समझ आया टॉपिक जो हमने आज किया है?
Yes.
यस, ठीक है सिद्धांत, फिर मैं आपसे सैटरडे मिलती हूँ.
Wow.
Okay, all of you,
Bye,
we will
ma'am.
discuss few more questions. No, only
Ma'am,
Siddhant
it's
is leaving.
The Hercules Corona Barolus Great
Why,
Wall.
Siddhant?
Ma'am, it's so wide that ma'am, the biggest single entity that scientists have identified in the universe is a supercluster of galaxies called the Hercules Corona Barolus Great Wall. It's so wide that light takes about 10 billion years to move across the entire structure.
Oh my God.
Yes,
Why? I don't know that fact.
What did you say?
He said
Ma'am, I
something
have a
about the
riddle.
largest thing in the world, in the universe.
It takes light to cross
10
that
billion.
about 10 billion years.
You see, light is so fast. Nothing in the world is faster than light.
And
And
ma'am,
yet,
that was built by humankind.
Humankind, how did they made stars, the constellation in the universe? I mean, the space. How?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, I have a question.
Please, we are concentrating on this question now. The following question consists of two words, each have a certain relationship with each other. Select the pair that has the same relationship as the original word. Spider is to web. How?
Teacher student.
No, the
Ink
first word
pen.
is the organism. The second word is the web that it makes or where it lives.
Ink pen.
Oh, ink
Ma'am,
does not.
Ma'am, poetry.
Poet makes poetry. What is the relation? A spider lives in the
Ink
web.
pen.
Spider lives in the web.
Ma'am, A. Answer is A.
Yes, ink is to pen because ink is inside the pen. So spider inside the web, ink is to pen for that reason. Next question. The following question consists of two words again have a certain relationship with each other. Ideas is to brain.
Money
Ideas.
bank.
Ma'am, literature.
Ma'am, money bank.
Ideas. We get ideas in
Money
our
bank.
brain.
Money bank. Money bank.
Money bank will be correct. Money bank will be correct. Money bank will be the correct relationship. Next one.
Just
Pen,
stationery
rubber.
goods. Just stationery goods.
Stationery goods. Correct. Next one. Beetle, grasshopper, and wasp.
Insects.
Choose a one which has a common quality. Not the whole class.
Insects.
Not the whole class, no.
Ma'am, insects. Ma'am, insects.
Choose a one which has a common quality to these three
Ma'am,
given words.
pesticides.
No, pesticides are those which can kill the pest.
Ma'am, cricket.
See, either it can be cricket or the butterfly because we do not know the cricket is like which cricket. We are talking about the animal, that game cricket or that insect cricket. If we are considering cricket to be the insect, then it can be, or else it will be butterfly. Because all of these are insect only. So for that reason, it can be butterfly. But if we are considering cricket as that, that game, then that can only also be our answer, right? Next one.
Sorry, ma'am.
Class.
That sound came from my side.
Hand, body, finger.
Ma'am, sister, family,
Ma'am,
brother.
hand, body, finger.
Ma'am, sister, family,
Ma'am,
brother.
it's also leaf, tree, root. Leaf, tree, root. No,
Class, school, and
hand,
student.
body, finger.
Student.
Hand, body, finger.
Sister,
Ma'am,
family, ball, bat, pitch.
Hand,
Ball,
body,
bat,
finger.
pitch. Ma'am, ball,
Hand,
No,
bat,
why
body,
ball
finger.
bat? Sister,
Hand,
family,
ball,
brother.
bat, and pitch.
No, it will be this one.
Hand, body, finger.
Students are part of class and class is in a school. Fingers are part of hand and hand is part of body. That one. That is the rule. Next, select the lettered pair that has the same relation as the original pair of word. Darkness is to lamp.
A1.
Lamp removes darkness.
Ma'am, A.
Lamp removes
Thirst
darkness.
Thirst and water. Thirst and water.
Yes,
E.
thirst and water. Because you will get fatigue if you will do exercise. Like we get tired, no? If you will do excessive exercise, you will get tired, fatigued. Now, okay, leave this one. When we will learn the topic, then I will come to this one. Do we have any? Yeah, we have a mirror image here. Tell.
Ma'am,
A.
Yes,
A.
A1 will be the answer. Mirror image of this one.
Ma'am, A.
A, because we want it like this.
Ma'am, they are giving easy questions.
Easy question, yeah, but these are Olympiad questions only. I will try to bring more tough questions for you, all of you. Tell me the mirror image of what is image of the
Ma'am,
WhatsApp?
D. Ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
A1. Yes.
A.
It should be like this. No, not the A1. Not the A1. The D1. Not the D1. Not the D1.
How, ma'am?
Wait, I will tell you.
None of these.
It will be.
Ma'am, it's A.
Why we
You
don't
have
have it?
wrong.
Ma'am, it's A.
A1 only. Yeah, A1 only.
Ma'am, you said that it's not A.
No, it's A1. It's A1. So, do we have any more? We did this direction sense questions yesterday, right? You can answer this one. If N represent north,
Ma'am,
E
I know.
represent east, W represent west, and S represent south, and the dot represent the number of steps, then find the code for the path of the given below. The path that is given below.
Ma'am, it's not 2, then east 2. Ma'am, then it's not 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, then it's north, then west, then north.
North, west, and north, right? That's given in only option C. North, west, and north. Okay. That was one direction sense question. And then, yes, tell me the mirror image of this Saturday.
Ma'am, I think it's A.
Ma'am, it's
A.
Why will remain here?
Ma'am, it's D. It's
It's
D.
mirror image.
Ma'am, it's D.
It's
Ma'am,
mirror
it's
image.
It's
It's
D.
mirror image, all of you. How can you say A? It is D. It's D because R should be like this. Yes, it is D1. Okay. So those were few questions. And lastly, tell me answer to this one, correct water image of this one.
Ma'am, is it B?
Ma'am, it is
It should be like this.
Ma'am, C. It's
D. Ma'am, it's
D.
C.
It's A.
The blue should be here.
No, it's
Blue should be here.
Ma'am, D.
D1.
D.
D. Right? So these were some of your Olympiad questions. I hope you enjoyed our today's class because in the
Ma'am,
next
I
class,
didn't do the Olympiad's questions very easy. Ma'am, this is
Olympiad
a tough
reasoning
question.
Olympiad questions are easy.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, all of you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye bye. Take care.